Here we are doing a quick inspection on this 2670 Pursuit, getting ready for the new owner. Coming down the starboard side, getting in close. We can check out that bottom paint right at the water line. Nice and dark still. As we come over to the transom, we can see we have the cowls off the engines. Checking the lower units on this. Nice transom zinc right there. And then coming down along the port side of the vessel. Here we are on the starboard side, looking below the waterline of the hull, looking for signs of dings, dents, damage, which happily there are none. And here we are inspecting the bottom below the waterline on the port side. Here we are after that quick inspection, putting her back in the water.